So this is one of our diesel fuel fills. I have two on each side. The other one's right there by Jolene's feet. Ta-da. Look at those beautiful feet. This one leaks. So when it rains, it runs down here, and then it goes out our scupper right here, but this will leak water. So we're going to unscrew this, disconnect it from the fill tube, clean it all up, put some marine grade sealant around there. I got to look and see what I have. Can't remember if it's going to be either 4,000 or 4,200 or 5,200. It'll all work. Let's get started. So we've got this access panel here in our boat. That's our fuel fill. So we're going to undo those two. We're going to undo those two, and that's the bottom side right there. So we're going to take those off. I replaced these a year ago when I bought the boat. It took me all day to get one of these off, so hopefully this will come off fully easier. So you can see this old sealant's just all dry and wasn't sealing. I got some around here. So what we're going to do, I'm going to push the hose off to the side so it doesn't get filled with debris, because anything that falls down that hose will go right into my fuel tank. We'll get a broom and kind of sweep this away with a wire brush, clean that up. I got a wire wheel we'll take to this, clean it up. We'll apply some new marine sealant around here, put it back in, hose clamp on, done. Okay. Right up next to it. Gotta get to the battery. So if you don't have one of these wire wheels, it comes a little bigger than that, it's worn down. You get these in the welding section, usually at Napa or at one of your hardware stores. They're great for cleaning stuff up rather than wire brushing by hand. Cleaned up so many pieces with this tool. So we've cleaned all the old sealant off. It was just hard. It came off in chunks. It just lost its flexibility and stuff. So I'll put some new stuff on there, put it back in the hole, new screws, hose back on, done deal. Just some acetone. You always want to try and get as clean a surface as you can whenever you're using these bonding. Alright, so I've got some marine adhesive, some 3M 4200. I got all different kinds. Good, buddy. Thank you. So it's real important that you get sealant down in where the screws go in as well, because that's also a spot where water can leak in. whenever you double hose clamp something on a boat, you always put one direction, one the other. The theory is they pull on it from different angles and secure it better. So you can see I got one over there, one over here, opposite. There we go. So that will cure up in the next couple hours, and we shouldn't have any more water leaks dripping down onto my fuel tank. So there it is, new, or not new, but the diesel fuel tank resealed. So when it rains, no more water leaks on top of my fuel tank, which is a big deal. So thanks again for watching our How To Tuesdays, where I do my boat projects. If you have a question, feel free to put that in the comments below. Also, if there's something that you may want me to explain how I do on the boat, or a project you may like to see, drop me a question. I may be something that I need to do. So thanks again for watching, guys. Have a great day.